This is what I started with. 4 sheets, multiple rows, just numbers everywhere. And this is what it looked like just 3 minutes later. I did not use pivot tables. I did not watch a 40-minute Excel tutorial. I typed 2 sentences and that's it. Before creating the dashboard, let's have a quick look at what we have. This is a quarterly expense report, 9 categories, total across January, February, and March. Summary sheet has the totals and budgets. January detail has all the individual transactions. Budget versus actual compares what we planned versus what we spent. And budget rates has the approved rates. 4 sheets, all connected. Let's turn this into something presentable. So, how are we going to do this? There is an add-in called Claude AI for Excel. It's made by Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI. So it's an AI sitting inside Excel and helping us smartly. To use it, open Excel, go to Home, then Add-ins, search for Claude AI by Anthropic for Excel. Click Add, sign in with your Claude account, and you are done here. Now let's build the dashboard. So here is our first prompt. This will help us to create the header, KPIs, a bar chart, and a table listing all the categories. Now let's press enter. First prompt done. We have got the structure. KPIs, chart, a data table. Now let's make it pop and add some designing. This prompt is going to help us designing and analyzing the sheets more clearly. Done. Pie charts in, and the table now has colors. So this is what every manager actually wants to see. Right at the top, the 3 numbers that matter. How much we spent this quarter, how much were we supposed to spend, and what's the difference. The best part is all of this is live. These aren't screenshots or static numbers. They are formulas pulling from the summary sheet. If someone updates January's details expenses, the dashboard updates automatically. Now, one thing, Claude for Excel is not free. You need at least a Claude Pro subscription. That's $20 a month. There is also Max for $100 if you need more usage. But think about it. Building this dashboard manually, formulas, charts, formatting, conditional colors, that's easily 30 to 40 minutes of work. I just did it in 2 prompts. If you do this kind of thing even once a week, the subscription pays for itself on day 1. So 2 prompts, live formulas, a dashboard you would actually present. Install link is in the description. Subscribe if you want more stuff like this. See you next time.